Good day to everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to teach to you another topic, and this topic is all about the alternating series test. So we have to alternate series test for convergence. So before that, alternating series test, also known as the Leibniz test. So the importance of alternating series test is to help us to determine whether a given alternating series is convergent or not. So we have the alternating series test. The infinite series from n is equal to k to infinity times a sub n. Now we need to rewrite, or I need to rewrite this, or the an, as a sub n is equal to -1 to n times b sub n, or it should be say a sub n is equal to -1 to n plus 1 times b sub n, where b sub n is greater than or equal to 0. So this proves that the infinite series is true by what? By following the true statement. First, we have the limit from n approaches to infinity times b sub n is equal to 0. We always remember that, always equal to 0. Number 2, the b sub n is decreasing sequence. Now, the infinite series from n is equal to k to infinity times a sub n is converges. Now, we need to take a look with the example. So, I have here example. The infinite series from n is equal to 1 to infinity times -1 to n plus 1 over n is equal to 1. Why it becomes 1? Since our n is 1, so -1 times the exponent, which is 2, since our n is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So -1 times -1 is equal to +1 over n, which is 1. So the result is +1. So when our n is +2, that's why it becomes -1/2. And when our n is 3, it becomes +1/3. And our n is 4, becomes -1/4, plus so on. With the same process, a sub n is equal to -1 to n plus 1 over n is equal to -1 to n plus 1 times the 1 over n. So our 1 over n here is our b sub n. So our b sub n is equal to 1 over n. So the limit from n approaches to infinity is 1 over n is equal to 0. So as what I have said earlier, from the following the true statement, once the limit from n approaches to infinity times b sub n is equal to 0, so it shows that our 1 over n is decreasing sequence, right? Therefore, we can say that the infinite series, or our original series, which is infinite series from n is equal to 1 to infinity times negative 1 to n plus 1 over n, it says that converge, right? So I hope it is understandable to you, and I hope there are new learnings you have learned in this topic. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell below for you to watch my next upcoming video. Thank you and God bless everyone. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.